animals.
Yes.
Animals that live in water are called aquatic animals.
Okay.
Fish, snails, turtles, and crabs are aquatic animals.
Okay.
They have spines
Fins.
or
These are fins.
fins.
Yes. Yes.
Fins or paddles,
No, not
which help
paddles. They
them
are fins or paddles. Fins or
paddle.
yes. Fins or paddles. Okay.
Fins or paddles,
Okay.
which help them to swim.
Okay.
Their tails help them to change direction.
Okay.
Most water animals breathe through special organs
Called gills.
called gills.
Okay.
The breathe
Not the they.
they breathe the oxygen dissolved in
Dissolved.
water.
They breathe the oxygen dissolved in water. Repeat after me. They breathe the oxygen dissolved in water.
Aquatic animals like
No, no, no,
whales.
no. Debolina. Debolina. Repeat after me.
Yes.
Okay. They breathe the oxygen. Repeat after me. They breathe the oxygen
They breathe the oxygen
dissolved.
dissolved in
No,
water.
no. Dissolved
Dissolved
in water.
in water.
Okay. Now read from the next line. Next paragraph. Aquatic animals. Yes.
Like whales and dolphins do
Yes.
not have gills.
Okay.
They have lungs to breathe.
Okay.
So they need to come up to the water surface.
Okay.
Feed
Frequently.
you
They need to
What's
come
it?
up to the water surface frequently.
frequently
Hmm.
to take in oxygen through their lungs.
Okay.
Have you through why
No,
the
have
skin
you?
of water?
Okay. Debolina, repeat after me. Have you thought? Have you thought?
Have you thought
Okay.
why the skin of water animals is not affected
Hmm.
even through their
Even though they spend their entire life in water. Okay, so aquatic animals like whales and dolphins do not have gills. They have lungs to breathe, so they need to come up to the water surface frequently to take in oxygen through their lungs. Okay, let us study it from first. Animals that live in water are called aquatic animals. It is obvious. The animals that will live in water, we will call them as aquatic animals. Now some aquatic animals are fish, snail, turtle and crab. Okay. Now they have fins or paddles which help them to swim. Their tails help them to change direction. Most water animals breathe through special organs called gills. So what do most water animals breathe through? Gills.
gills.
Okay.
Gills.
They breathe the oxygen dissolved in water. So oxygen is dissolved in water and they breathe this oxygen. Is that clear? Aquatic animals like whales and dolphins. Whales and dolphins do not have gills. Okay. Whales and dolphins do not have gills. They have lungs. What does whales and dolphin have?
Lungs.
What does, yes, lungs.
Whales have lungs. But I don't know have dolphins have lungs.
Okay. So they need to come up to the water surface frequently to take in oxygen through their lungs. So why do they come to water surface? They come to a water surface so that they can take in oxygen through their lungs. Is that clear? Okay. Have you thought why skin of water animals is not affected even though they spend their entire life in water? Do you know? Do you know this? Why their entire life is not? Why have you thought why the skin of water animals is not affected even though they spend their entire life in water? Do you know why? This is because the body of aquatic animals is adapted for staying underwater. Suppose you are staying on land. Do your skin get dry every time?
No.
No. In the same way, when aquatic animals stays in water, their skin also don't get dry every time. Is that clear? Is
Yes,
that clear?
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
The body of a fish is not covered with cell. The body of a fish is covered with scales. What are scales? Can you tell me what are scales?
Ash. Machar ash.
Macher
Scales
ash.
are
Okay. 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 Does macher ash have life, or it is like non-living part, like our nail?
Like our nails.
Like our nail. So it does not have living cells in it. So its skin does not come in direct contact with water, as the scales are waterproof. Okay. So fishes have scales. See, the scales prevent the water to come in touch with skin. Is that clear? We must keep this in mind. The scales
Yes, sir.
prevent the water to come in touch with skin. Is that clear? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now we will read amphibians. I'll ask Omkushnath to read amphibians. Omkushnath, read amphibians.
The animals that can live both on land and water are called amphibians.
Okay.
Fork-toed, newt,
Salamander.
salamander, etc. live both on land
Not live.
and water.
Not live. This one is live. Okay. Frog, toad, newt, salamander, etc. live both on land and in water.
That toad means food.
Omkush, I cannot hear you properly.
That toad means
Toad is like frog. Okay.
sir,
See?
not
See, this is
toad.
yes, this is frog. Okay. Okay. Let me show you. Let me show you toad. Okay. Let me show you toad. Yes.
When frog is baby, so it's called toad.
Okay. Let us see the difference between toad and frog. Okay.
Frog is called toad.
No, there is difference. Okay. They are not same. Frog and toad are not same. Let us see what is the difference. Can all of you see the screen?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, there are ghosts.
Hey Defenders, if you're like me, then you love going hiking. And depending on where you live, you could be finding some super cool amphibians. But sometimes it's really hard to figure out whether these guys are frogs or toads. So use our comparison video so you can learn a little bit more before you go hiking next time. Frogs live in water, while toads live on land. Frogs have a narrow, streamlined body. Toads, well, they're a bit chunkier. Frogs have smooth skin. Toads have bumpy skin. Long legs, short legs. Prefers to jump, prefers to walk. That's the end of another quick comparison, Defenders. We hope you guys learned some cool stuff. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can learn more amazing
So, did you get the idea about frog and toad?
Yes, sir.
So, frog lives in water.
And we are wanting meat.
Okay, one by one. Frog lives in water. Toad lives on land. Okay. Frogs love to jump. Toads love to walk. Frogs have smooth skin. Toads have rough skin. Yes, tell me. Yes, tell me.
Salamander and newt.
Yes, can you hear me, all of you?
Yes, sir. What is the thoughtful?
What is the
Dog
dog
There is
pole?
a toadpole, that is tadpole.
Tadpole. Tadpole are
Tadpole is baby
yes, the
frog.
babies of a tad, babies of a frog. Okay, tadpoles are babies of a frog. Okay, now. Okay, so they live both on land. They live both on land and in water. Do you know Bonalimis? Come, Bonalimis, come here. Bonalimis, come here. Do you know Bonalimis?
Sir, what is
Okay, can you tell me where does Bonalimis live? On land or in water?
what? Sir, what is Wonderland?
See, this is Bonalimis. Bonalimis, come here. Okay, let me show you Bonalimis, all of you.
Sir,
Let,
and salamander and new
can
also.
wait, all of you wait.
Finally. Sir, salamander and newt also.
What? What do you want to see? Salamander and mute.
Yes.
Okay, just wait for some time. Just wait for some time. Just wait for some time. Salamander. Salamander. This is salamander. Okay. Can you see this animal? This is salamander.
How this animal I can't understand. Yes.
I cannot understand. Tell me again.
How I cannot understand how is the salamander.
How does a salamander look? What you cannot understand? How does a salamander look?
Yes.
Okay, okay. Let me show you how a salamander looks. Wait.
Answer newt also, please.
Okay, okay. Let me show you a salamander.
Send newt also.
Wait. See, this is a salamander.
Sir, your home is nearby Vodafone mini store.
How do you know that?
I think he is seeing the location, right?
Oh, okay. You are like sick. You are like spies. Okay, I can understand now. Okay, see, this is a salamander. Okay, this is how a salamander looks. Okay, this is how a salamander look. Who wants to have a salamander at home?
I have seen this animal. I have seen this animal. It's like lizard.
Yes. Do you find it cute?
Right? No. No, sir, no. First picture was
Do you find this? Okay. Do you find this salamander cute?
No. Sir, I have seen this.
Yes, it is cute.
I have seen this. No.
Okay. 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 So when they are on land, they breathe through their lungs. Okay, they breathe through their screen when they are in water. These animals have webbed feet. What does webbed feet mean? Have you seen the feet of a duck?
Yes.
Yes, they are
Yes.
joined.
Yes, they are joined like this. This kind of feet is known as webbed feet. Is that clear? Okay, which help them to swim in water. Amphibians are cold-blooded animals. What are amphibians? Amphibians
Cold-blooded
are
animals.
yes, they are cold-blooded animals. Okay.
Cold-blooded animals.
Yes.
Sir, what
Yes.
is newt?
Newt. This one is newt. This one
I
is
can't
newt.
see it properly, that's why.
Okay, let me show you newt. Let me show you newt.
That you shown a picture of salamander.
Yes.
That red horns.
Yes,
On
see,
the
this
ear.
one is newt. Okay. This one is newt.
What was it? It's very ajeeb.
Yes, it looks like a dragon. This
It's
one is
very
newt.
ajeeb.
Yes, it is Ajib. Yes, of course it is Ajib. Okay, of course it is Ajib. Okay, so this one is newt. Okay, okay. So,
Sir, which one is correct? One is showing the tail is.
okay, it is 10:53 now. Our class will be officially over.